This is Amit Shrivastava. I am a ground instructor, and here this is our institute where we provide ground classes for the DGCA CPL examinations as well as for the ATPL examinations. Besides this, we also provide flying training. We have tie-ups with different flying schools across India and abroad. We have been successfully teaching for the last 15 years, and there are so many pilots who have studied here in our institute, and now they have been working with different airlines. Those students who are looking ahead to make their careers in aviation industry as a commercial pilot, so they can contact us for any detail and on the number which is currently shown on their screen. Let's have a visit to our institute. Welcome. Our faculty, Captain Navran Singh, has been successfully teaching the CPL and ATPL subjects for the last 15 years. There are so many students of him who have been successfully working with different airlines. Thank you very much for watching our video. See you soon.